You will either manage or will be managed. I'm creating this video to help you understand the main functions of management. It can help you effectively and efficiently work with your team and company. At the minimum, it can help you appreciate the activities and tasks a leader should do. Now, there are four main functions of management: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. All four functions are designed to achieve a purpose or business objective. Planning is the basis of all the other functions. You organize, lead, and control based on your plans to achieve business objectives. It's about defining goals, establishing a strategy, and setting the mission and vision of the company. As a frontline leader or aspiring manager, it can be your plans to transition to a leadership role. It can be talking to your boss and crafting a vision of what you want the team to accomplish. Moreover, planning can help you focus on results, build a better team, and minimize future headaches and problems. Organizing, on the other hand, is defining what needs to be done, how it will be done, and who is going to do it. Again, so we can achieve business objectives. It is about the organization structure. Organizing involves specialization of work and departmentalization. It's why we have different departments such as HR, recruitment, quality control, and operations. It's about authority and responsibility on what specific tasks should be done. Additionally, leading is influencing a team to achieve its goals. Depending on your personality, you may find this the sexiest part of the job. It's about motivating, building trust, and communicating with the team to achieve business objectives. It is understanding what drives an individual. It's about working with groups of people. Leading can be very exciting. Finally, controlling is about monitoring if we're achieving our objectives. It is looking for performance gaps and areas for improvement. This helps us adapt our activities to what is actually happening versus the plan. Quality audits are good examples of controlling. This is an important concept for you to understand. Some of your team members may complain about controlling activities and quality auditors. It is your role to explain the importance of these activities. Overall, planning, organizing, leading, and controlling have one aim: to achieve business objectives. Understanding these concepts will provide you a holistic view of your role as a leader. It can help you appreciate the roles of other departments and help you better collaborate with them. So, those are the functions of management. Let me know what topics you want to learn more by giving your comments below. Please hit the subscribe button for more videos in the future.